Hey guys, and welcome back to another dance tutorial here at Learn How to Dance, where you can find simple, easy, and step-by-step dance tutorials. So today I will be showing you guys how to do the switch step dance emo from the game Fortnite. As always, thank you guys so much for all the requests, and thank you Butter/Jam for being the first one to request it. Not so sure what you meant with the last part of the comment. So let's just jump right into it. This dance is super easy, so it's gonna be a very short tutorial, but let's do it. Alright, so the first step, let's just start with the right. You're gonna say jump. Yeah, so you're jumping on your left, kicking your right out. Now you wanna take your right down, and then you wanna take your left behind your right. So let's just try that slowly from the top. Jumping on our left, kicking our right out. So we're gonna say kick, down, left behind, right. Let's try that again. 5, 6, 7, 8. Jump, place, behind. Again. 5, 6, 7, 8. Jump, down, behind. And 5, 6, 7, 8. Jump, down, behind. Now this doesn't have to be a super jump, just subtle one, yeah? Then down, left, behind. One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Jump, down, behind. Now from here, you can continue this to the opposite side. Now you want to jump on your right, kicking your left out, so it's going to look like this. Hi-ya! So let's just try that again. Left behind your right. 7, 8, you're going hi-ya. From here, left down, right behind your left. So just the opposite. So let's just do it again from here. Left behind your right. You're gonna jump on your right, kicking your left out. So 7, 8, kick, down, behind. One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8, jump, down, behind. Alright, let's try to do it to one side, to the right side, and then to the left side. So 5, 6, 7, 8, kick, down, behind, and kick, down, behind. One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8, jump, down, behind, and jump, down, behind. Let's try a bit faster. 5, 6, 7, 8, jump, down, behind, and jump, down, behind. Now arms, super simple, you just go whoop. Yeah, so hey, I'm the strong man. And then the opposite down here, and then you want to say switch, 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 switch. So we're basically just doing this, whoop, 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 whoop. And you want to do kick, yeah, so the right fist goes up, whoop, when you're kicking out with your right, whoop. And then when you bring it down, you switch. And then when you take your left behind your right, you say switch. Again. 5, 6, 7, 8, and down, switch. 5, 6, 7, 8, jump, switch, switch, and 5, 6, 7, 8, jump, switch, switch. Now it's the same to the other opposite side, so you just continue on this. So you end it here. Now when you kick out with your left, you're gonna say left arm up. Yeah, so from here, you wanna go whoop, switch, switch. So again from here, you wanna go jump, down, switch. And then you can continue, and continue, and continue. And so on. So now you just practice, 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 and then eventually you can do it fast. Ha, 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 ha. Alright guys, that's it for this dance tutorial of how to do the switch step from the game Fortnite. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time.